this is Monique. One more project this time, Vacation Bible School. Here are the 2021 VBS Crafts. Here's a quick look at the craft for each day. Remember, there'll be a sample in your bag every day, but there's no craft on Friday because our schedule is different. Monday, your story is Jesus was born, so we divided this craft up between the 1st and the 2nd grade and the 3rd and the 4th grade. Stained glass windows with baby Jesus. Put glue on the entire surface inside the line instead of trying to glue each of these little pieces, and then you can randomly add these little pieces of tissue paper to make it look like stained glass. It won't matter if they're wrinkled or overlapped or whatever. Then a little glue on the window frame, glue that down, and then finally glue baby Jesus in place. There you go. All right, 3rd and 4th grade, yours is a little more challenging, but I know your kids are going to love it. Start by folding one corner of your contact paper so that you can make a hard crease on the paper backing, and then fold it the other way and it should release pretty easily. Then fill in the middle with the tissue paper so that it looks like stained glass. These pieces can be crinkly, they can overlap, it doesn't matter. They don't have to fill it all the way in, whatever they would like to do. Then put some glue onto the window frame and place it on top of all of that tissue paper. Glue baby Jesus on, and then glue on the truth for the day. Jesus came as God promised. Now for the top piece of contact paper, same thing. Fold it and make a hard crease, and then fold it back the other way. And when you put it on top, roll it across there. Don't try to just stick it straight down, but start on one edge and roll it to the other side. Then trim around all of the extra that sticks out past the window frame. Make a hole in the top, run your yarn through, and then overlap it and tie it together so that it'll hang straight. Tuesday, your story is Jesus heals a blind man. So give them the clay to make their peach pot, but tell them to try it with their eyes closed first and see how they do. Then you can let them open their eyes and work it and make it into something that maybe looks more like a pot. Your second project is this bookmark, and they have to scratch through or dig through the surface to reveal the beautiful colors underneath. And they can put whatever they want on there. Just try to remind them to not scratch off the entire surface. And then it comes with a piece of string that you can attach to the top. If you fold it in half and run it through, I think that might be easier. It doesn't matter how you do it. You can tie those two ends together or not. Wednesday's craft doesn't exactly line up with your story because your story is Jesus experienced betrayal and rejection. So we're going to do a game. So you have all these supplies. Start by coloring this. You can glue it on the box first, but then it gets ridges in it because the box is corrugated. So color all the way around, and some of your kids are going to color really fast and some are going to color slow. But get them to color at least a little. Glue that on the top. This is your game board that has the dots and the line. Glue that in the bottom, and then glue the instructions into the lid so that they don't get lost. They get a bag of marbles, and you're done. Your sample for this game came in your Monday bag so that you could have it in your room for your kids to play with so they can be excited about making one on Wednesday. Thursday is your last craft, and we're going to use the motto on this craft. Seek truth, find Jesus. Your Bible story for Thursday is Jesus is alive. Isn't that the best thing ever? Anyway, color the pot and cut it out. But then you're going to glue it on. You can glue it on either corner, but not in the middle because that's where the picture is going to be. Then glue on this glittery fun foam. It's all like treasures. And then you'll have a picture, something like this. No, yours will be a picture of people, not just silliness. Anyway, tape that in the back for them and you'll be good to go. I hope that was helpful. I hope you have a great week in VBS and the kids learn a lot about Jesus. Remember, Jesus said, "Let the little children come to me and do not hinder them, for such is the kingdom of heaven." Thanks for watching. Remember, let the little children come to me,